Welcome back to our channel. So guys, today we are going to create this 3D modeling in Solidworks. So in this video I will tell you how to create 2D sketch, any 2D sketch, and later we will convert into 3D. So look how we do this in Solidworks. So we have to create this. So first we all go to the file, select new, here we select part. Okay, now we change the background to plain white. Okay, now here we go to the top plane, right click, sketch normal, and here we create center rectangle. So go to the center point and create rectangle. Now select this line and make this line 75 mm. Select this line and make it 115 mm. So we will keep it. Now again we create the sketch. So first we just select center line, select this and create up to here. Okay, now again go to the smart dimension, select this corner line and select this center line. So here we will keep the gap 75 mm. Okay, now here we select this center line and here we will keep it 45. Okay, now go to the circle, select this and create up to here. Go to the smart dimension, select this one and make it 20 diameter. So here we select this line, select this point, and we will keep it to line, make sure it is tangent to this circle. So again go to the line, select this one. Okay, now here is time to trim this unwanted sketch, so just trim it. Now select this one, this one. So again we create circle. So go to the circle command, select circle, we will keep it anywhere, later we will put the dimension. So just we select and create. Go to the smart dimension, select this circle and make it 8 diameter. Select this one, make it also 8 diameter. Okay, select this line and this center point, we will keep this gap 18 mm. Select this point and this line, so here we will keep it 19 mm. Okay, now we just create center line from this center point to this center point, and here we will make the relation vertical, so it will keep in linear position. So select this line and this one, so we will put the gap, so we will keep it 38 mm. Okay, now again we just create the offset of 38, just opposite side. Okay, now select this line, make it for construction purpose. Now here we just copy this both circle, so select this circle, this one, and here start point, so select this point and drag up to this point. Okay, here we just create all the sketch. So it's time to make the extrude. So now edit this sketch. So here we just forget one thing, we can't trim this unwanted portion like this one. So go to the trim, edit feature, select trim. Now trim this line. Okay, so here we just trim out. So our sketch is ready for extrude. So edit this sketch. Now see this 2D sketch of this 3D model. So here is time to extrude this sketch. So here we see the 2D sketch. Now here is time to extrude. So go to the boss extrude base, we will keep it 10 mm. Okay, so here is time to apply the color material. So we just put this color. First we select matte chrome, select this one. Now here we will keep it yellow. Okay, it looks much fine, better. So look how we create the 2D sketch and later we will convert into 3D model. So guys, I hope you will enjoy our tutorial. So let's see the animation view, rotation view of this 3D model. I hope you will enjoy it. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe our channel for more video.